Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you use this secret prompt for MidJourney that is producing high quality images better than these ones that you see. So if you want to create images that are very high quality for your personal or commercial use, so you can do this. So all credits to metricsmule.com and their YouTube channel metricsmule. So go check them out for quality prompts and also AI tutorials that are really game changers if you are an AI user. So let's get started guys. So just go over to metricsmule.com. So go over to here and ChatGPT prompt genius. So once you are here, you just have to go ahead and go over to this one, MidJourney Everything prompt. Just copy this and paste this on ChatGPT. And then as you can see, you have just to paste it and it will produce it for you, ChatGPT. So there. So you just have to command or input what you want to type in. So for example, uh, Spider-Man and Deadpool versus for example Batman and Superman underwater, for example fighting underwater in Aquaman's territory. So this is just for demonstration purposes. So as you can see, you just have to go ahead and copy and paste this to Discord here. So you just have to go ahead here, copy it. So for example, go ahead on to newbies, rooms, and go over to imagine, and just paste the prompt that we have made. So there, copy and then just paste it there and there. So okay guys, that is basically it. You just have to go ahead and paste this in and see the results for yourself. So this will produce iconic and very high quality results that are very unique. So okay guys, that is all for today. That is how you can use this secret prompt by Metrics Mule. So thank you for watching guys and goodbye.